Hello everyone, welcome to Vegan Voila. I am Lena. Today I'm going to show you how to make very easy, healthy and delicious buckwheat pancakes. Some of you might use a pancake mix only, or you do not bother making them at home because you go to a restaurant for them. But in actual fact, it's so easy to make. Why don't you start making them at home? In terms of the ingredients, I'm going to use only a couple of things. Normally I use 2. You can do the same. The other thing is I'm going to leave the raising agents such as baking soda or baking powder out because I am sensitive to them. Even without using any of those, still you can create very fluffy and delicious pancakes. Now let's have a look at the ingredients that I'm going to use today. Firstly and most importantly, we're going to use buckwheat flour. I'm going to use 2 cups. I have doubled the recipe. Normally I use 1 cup. You can buy this flour readily from the supermarket, and I made this. If you want me to show you how to make my own flour, I'm happy to do so upon request. And the second most important ingredient is whole plant-based milk. I'm going to use soy milk today. Instead of using water, I use plant-based milk because I want to add more nutrients like macronutrient like protein or mineral like calcium. And you can use water if you like, or you can use any plant-based milk of your choice. But if the consistency is a bit thinner than soy milk, you might have to add a bit more liquid. And the third ingredient I'm going to use today is salt. The quarter teaspoon of it, but you can completely leave this out if you have high blood pressure and you or any other conditions that you don't want to use it. That's fine. And lastly, I'm going to use a little bit of pure vanilla extract without any alcohol in it. And we'll have to have this whisk. That's it. Now let's get started. Now I'm going to put everything into the bowl. So I'll show you the right consistency. It's nice and smooth and not so runny, not so thick. This is the right consistency. You better let this sit at least for about 5 to 10 minutes before you use it. If you leave it too long, again, as I said, add more liquid. I'm going to use a crepe maker here, electric one. You can use whatever available in your house. Even you can use a frying pan. So what I do, paper towel, so I just poured a bit of oil in there, and I just do this. Once it's heated, I will use a ladle here, just normal size ladle, and 1 ladleful will be 1 pancake. Pour it down like this, and then at the same time you flatten the edges. And you see all these bubbles, so the bubbles act as a cushion, as a raising agent, so you don't really need to use any of the baking soda or baking powder. It'll take a couple of minutes each side. So once the top is completely dry, then you can just flip it over. Okay, this is pretty good. Just flip it over. Flip that over as well. And again, just repeat the process. These are the finished products and final results. Aren't these beautiful and gorgeous to look at? Let me just show you a bit closely here. I'm going to top these up with maple syrup and some fruits. I've got bananas and blueberries. That's it for today. Thank you for tuning into my channel Vegan Voila. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.